Hey, happy Canada's Day. I hope you're gonna enjoy this amazing weekend. Thank you for being a part of my life. Thank you for coming in, sharing yourself with me over the years, and more recently. I appreciate you, and I wish you lightness in your body, expansion in your mind, and joy in your heart, good health, renewed vigor, renewed purpose, and just to remind you that you are your own healer. And if you've forgotten or you don't know how, that's okay. That's what I'm here for. And on July the 23rd, I am doing a 5-hour workshop, which I would like to invite you. It's limited to 15 people only. But in that workshop, I will give you tools that work, tools that you can use right away to help yourself with your pain, with headaches, with migraines, digestion problems, alignment issues, the effects of trauma, the effects of constant anxiety and fear that we've been under, burnout, and more. So if you want to become your own healer, this is the workshop for you. July 23rd. The details are in the email. And again, I appreciate your trust. I appreciate you coming to see me. You're always in my heart and in my minds. Thank you.